Hello everybody, welcome to the Lego Builder, and today I'm going to show you my Lego MOC attack helicopter. So yeah, moving right on to the tour. This helicopter is an attack helicopter, I call it the white ghost. Let's see, it breaks a bit sometimes. So it's mainly designed like the Apache attack helicopter by Boeing, A864 I think. Now actually my original plan was to build the same helicopter, the Apache helicopter, but I couldn't. But instead I made this helicopter. It was quite similar and easy, and not that easy. Yeah, it looks quite similar to the Apache, and yeah, it's a quite nice build. You can see there's all those missile guns and all the stuff, and not forgetting the front turnable gun. This is a fun addition. You can see how the wheels are placed in a triangular form. The wheel is quite simple. Now, one of the quite different things that you might notice is that there's no glass on the front cockpit window. See, it's just pieces here. No, actually, I didn't have a perfect window shape for that design, so I used these pieces, though it turned out to look great. Nice. The rotor of course moves, and the tail one also moves, of course. Now on the front, you can see these lights and all this stuff can be removed. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can just see how they are attached. Now this is actually a bit minifigure scaled, but I haven't seen it in a middle figure because it's a bit hard. Now we can even check out the interior. I'll just remove these two. You can lift that up. It's just wrong. No problem. I'll just lift the camera inside. Like that. You see some gears, consoles, and seats. Just like that, and yeah. And then close it up. Because we don't want no glass window. Now you can see all those guns and missile launchers that I've added on to this build. From the side, from gunners, all this stuff, and yeah, it's a nice build though. Now let's check out the tail. So it's easy. You can see how it's attached, and it can be easily removed just like that. Gone, the tail is gone. It's easy for transportation, and I'll just put it back on. Right. And this window there, gone, done. Nice helicopter. Now that's all for this video about this helicopter. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe this channel. And yeah, please just tell more ideas of what to build next in the comments below. So thank you everybody for thank you everybody for watching this video.